Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to search on OneNote. So make sure to stick around to the end to get all the steps in order to succeed. So currently we have our OneNote here, we have some sections and some notes here, and say we want to search for something. Now at the top right corner we have the option to search for notebooks. Now you can simply go here and make a search. For example, we want to type success, and then we have road to success. If we want to search for something else, this brings all the results having road in it. You can see road to freedom, road to success, and road to recovery. Now, of course, when you close this, before searching, the other option, of course, is to click on the drop-down menu and to select the scope. The scope basically sets how far and wide OneNote needs to search for your keyword. For example, we're here on Quick Notes. We can switch to Roadmap, and when we go to the search and we click on it, we could say we want to search only in this section or only in this notebook. So if we click on this section, we're only going to find results for this one. Now, if we go to Team Summary and we're going to change it to this section and we click on Road, you can see that there are no results here. This is because we're searching only under Team Summary. So it's only going to bring results from these 3 pages. However, if we go over to this notebook, we can see Roadmap because this is a notebook. The notebook has different sections. So all these options would help you in your search in setting a scope. Now, of course, you could select all notebooks so you can easily find it because anything you search, it will show you which of the notebooks and sections it belongs to. So this is how to search on OneNote.